hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to our farm. Let me take you through few things. One, we want to know how can we make our pigs grow fast and bigger. How can we make our pigs grow fast and bigger in a short time? Here, you need to feed your pigs on vitamin C. Make sure everything you're going to give your pigs add in vitamin C. Vitamin C is well known for making pigs grow fast and bigger. And vitamin C, you can get it in mangoes, lemon, watermelon. You can mix all those things for vitamin C. Again, let me talk about how many liters of water can we give our pigs. For example, I will talk about lactating sows. Lactating sows need 17 liters to 25 liters a day, with a flow rate of 1.0 liters per minute. Of course, allowing the spillage. And here the sow needs 25 minutes to consume those 17 liters. You should know that water is very good to pigs, especially to lactating sows. They need more water in their bodies for more milk for the piglet. So you should always mind about water. What I can talk about, what we should know again, people want to know how many times should we feed our pigs. I also used to ask that question to myself, how many times can I feed my pigs cheaply? Here you don't need to feed your pigs many times. I can say you can feed your pigs twice a day. That is once in the morning and once in the evening. Remember, these pigs are also like human beings. The time you choose to give them their feed, it becomes a habit to them and natural. So we should always become very keen on the time we choose for the pigs. For example, here, like at our farm, we decided to feed them twice. It is cheap and pigs get the real nutrients they need in their bodies. Like here, we decide to give them food that is 7 a.m. And 7 p.m. That's enough for the pigs. Let me also talk about worms briefly. How can we know that our pigs have worms? For example, here they develop signs. They can develop poor feed conversion. They can also develop slow in weight gain. They can also develop coughing without fever or other signs of respiratory infection. They can also develop a dry skin. All those signs can show you that your pigs have worms. And these worms, we can control worms by deworming. And here we can ask ourselves, how often can we deworm our pigs? Here, pigs should be dewormed on a regular basis for external and internal parasites, usually every 4 to 6 months. That can be okay with worms to control them at the farm. So you just need to study your pigs and know whether your pigs are in good health or they are not in good health. And these things, they are just pigs. It's like you. If you're not feeling well, the people you stay with at home, they can really see that today so and so is not doing well. So here, that's how we do it at the farm. So you just give your pigs time, be around them. By doing that, you will see your pigs doing well, giving you good results that you need. Otherwise, where I'm standing, it is very hot. I think it's enough for today. See you next week with spraying. Thank you.